And hi everyone, so today magpapalit ako ng string ng guitar. Let's see kung paano siya gagawin. Yan. So magpapalit na tayo. We have the strings. We also had this one. I'm not sure how to use this, but we will try it. Of course, meron tayong pick. Ayan, napalitan ko na siya. It has extra strings, so kailangan ko lang i-cut ito and i-cut ito para hindi siya maduming tingnan. Okay. And so, paano nga ba start? So, sa packet ng guitar string, meron to. So, may instruction siya. Sa first is silver, purple, green. Makikita mo to. Kagaya nito, red siya. Red yung bilog. So, kung red yung bilog, nasa 5th string siya. Which I did not change kasi maayos pa naman. Wala siyang kalawang or whatsoever. So, pinalitan ko kanina ang 4th, 3rd, at saka 2nd string. So, tatlo. 2nd, 3rd and 4th string yung pinalitan ko kanina. Kaya makikita nyo may extension siyang ganito. I was able to manage to cut this one, but I will have to cut this one also. So, ayun. So, tuning naman tayo. Paano natin chinhun yung guitar. Sa pag-tuning ng guitar, hindi talaga ako ganun ka husay, but I'm still trying to learn. Kung matagal ka ng nagigitar, you will be able to have a memory of each string na gagamitin mo. So, usually, we will start from the 3rd one. Ito. 1 and the 2. Yung may point na nito. Let's check. So, dapat pataas. Ito kasi yung pinaka-bass, yung nasa taas. Mas matinis yung nasa baba na string. So it should be at the same phase. Then you will press this one. Maririnig mo na siya na tama siya sa tono. Sometimes I use the song with All I Am for me to know kung ano yung tunog ng 1st at 2nd string. Tsaka yung 5th string. So, it's not ulit. Medyo mababa siya. So, I'm gonna twist a little bit. Babalik ko pala. Ayun. To your hands, I can feel the pain with all I am for you, Lord. So, na-solve na natin yun. Yun. Nasa tono na po siya. I'm not that expert, pero in the long run, as you play the guitar, you will be able to know the sound of each string. And it takes practice, of course. But then, wala naman imposible, kaya mo yun. So, yeah. Have a good day.